Hi there. Have you ever thought that email marketing is a complete headache? Like it's too complicated or too expensive to even consider? Well, what if I told you there's a way to make it affordable and stress free? Yes, you've heard me right. And the secret lies in automation and in a powerful tool that won't break the bank. So, what if you could streamline everything with just a few clicks? Imagine having sanity, control, and effective results through one powerful tool. By the end of this video, you will have a clear understanding how to create a 3 email sequence using GrooveMail. This sequence will help you deliver your lead magnet seamlessly and effortlessly and will help you to start building your authority. Allow me to introduce myself. I'm Madeleine and I specialize in helping coaches, consultants, course creators, and other professionals who offer one to one sessions with the successful launch of their first online program. In our previous videos, we took a look at Groove pages and we created a landing page for our lead magnet. In the next video, we dived into Groove Mail and how to connect a form in GrooveMail to our landing page so that we could collect the email addresses of those who have signed up for our lead magnet. Today we're going to dive back into GrooveMail, but this time looking at sequences. Before we dive into GrooveMail, let me tell you a story. Let me introduce you to Sarah, a dedicated life coach who's growing her clientele. Every Monday morning, she's in front of a laptop, busy sending out emails manually to her clients. In these emails, she's encouraging them, she gives them tips on coaching, and she invites them to special events. Unfortunately, by the end of the day, Sarah feels drained and barely has energy left for what she enjoys doing most, her coaching sessions. Perhaps you can identify with Sarah. Well, let me introduce you to GrooveMail. GrooveMail is part of GrooveCM's suite of tools. I've been a founding member of Groove and saw the growth over the years. That's why I can confidently recommend Groove. It's also now available at a fraction of the cost of other popular high priced solutions. However, I want to encourage you to do your own research and look at all the available options out there and choose a software or tool that suits you and your business best. All right, so let's dive in. I've already logged into my Groove account and now we're going to go to Groove Mail over here. And I am in Groove Mail. We're going to start a new sequence. We can call it Abundance. Let's give it a description and create our sequence. Now we can add a trigger to set the sequence in motion. We can choose, for example, a list. So if they subscribe to that list, the sequence will be triggered, or in our case, when they complete the form, the abundance guide signups form, then the sequence will be triggered, right? Next, we will choose an email. We will send an email, drag it and drop it over here. We will start off by just for ourselves name the email. This will be the welcome email. The sender, you can choose your sender here. And then the subject of your email, you can give it a subject that makes sense and that your subscriber will open. Next, you can give a little preview of what they can expect in the email, and you can leave it in active for now, and then we can move to the message part. Yeah, you've got the professional email editor, basic email editor, and HTML content. So you can use the professional one if you want to use really nice templates, and you want that professional look. Let's just show you. So you can choose any of these templates that are available for you and make your email pretty. Right? However, I usually use the basic email one as it, for my purposes, I want to come across more as a friend than as a business. Right, so I've already copied a template, just something simple to demonstrate how this works. Yeah, you can start off by saying hi and you can insert the name of your subscriber. Right, and you can say welcome to and your business, and then acknowledge the problem so that you identify with what they're going through or have some empathy, what they're experiencing. Then you can continue and explain about your guide and the value it brings, and then you can actually have it here as a download for your signups. We can go here, go to link, and then we have to find it in I think in our Groove Pages video, we saved it in our Groove member. This is Groove member, and we saved it as a file. We can come over here and copy our file, and then we can just enter the URL here and save it. All right, so now they can download your file here. Then you can continue your email, and I would recommend that you also include in this email um, where you request them to actually whitelist your email. You can, for example, put a little guide, a link to a guide here, how to whitelist your emails. All right, you can also input here an email address to send a test email to. You can send that, and then when you're done with this, you can actually make it active. All right, and done. And now we can put a time delay so that after this email will be sent immediately after they completed the form. And after this welcome email, we can put a time delay, for example, wait for, we can do it right after the first step, but that will be too soon. So we will say wait number of days or hours. So we can choose, for example, 1 day and done. And now the next email will take a day before it gets to the email inbox of your sign up. Right. And we will do another email. Again, we will put it maybe as the second email in your series. We will put to sender again the subject line, preview, like we've done in the previous one, and message again, basic one. Paste it in here, your next email. So I've already copied it and pasted it in here. I can again insert a name to make it personal. You can just make sure in this email that they have indeed received your guide, and just explain the value again of the guide. And for in case they haven't downloaded it, you can share the link again of the guide. And to keep the communication going, you can just ask them to share the value they received from consuming your abundance guide. You can then also give a call to action and ask them to schedule a call, to book a call with you if they want more information, or learn more about your coaching program, etc. All right, so you can again send a test email to an email address of your choice. All right, so next we're going to put another time delay over here, and we can say for another day or maybe 2 days, as you don't want to frustrate or agitate your new subscriber. You press done, and we go to the third email. Again, you put in a name for your email, your sender, subject, preview, and you go to message, basic. I will come over here and paste what I've previously copied. We can again insert the first name. You can actually use ChatGPT or any other AI model that you're comfortable using to help you with creating your email sequence. I've already copied and pasted, like I've said. So in this email, you can perhaps share a story or a case study how your guide or lead magnet helped your clients. And then you can also mention it's just one part of your coaching program, and you can actually invite them to give you a call. You can send a test email again, and we're done. And we can just save. You may be asking why 3 emails. This sequence, although small, will start to nurture your subscribers, and they will get to know you a little better as well. You will offer value in these emails, and they will have a chance to book a call with you as well. We've covered quite a lot today, and I truly hope you will find it valuable. Now it's time to take action. If you want to check GrooveMail out, you can go to my affiliate link in the description of this video, where you will also be able to access exclusive bonuses from me. Don't forget to check out all the other available options out there. And if you have a personal favorite, let us know in the comments below. Also, if you haven't yet looked at all the other available apps in GrooveCM, you can do so using my affiliate link as well. I haven't even mentioned Groove AI. This is also a game changer that will help you with speeding up your content creation process. If you have any other questions on GrooveMail or any other comments to share, you're welcome to do so. And also don't forget to like the video if you've enjoyed the content, and to subscribe to this channel for more videos like this one. See you in the next one. Bye bye.